everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is LiaLeigh and I'm going to be showing y'all an extremely quick way to do the soft locks that I have in now. I have been having a couple people ask me about the tutorial and about the hairstyle itself, so I'm going to break everything down as well as leave everything in the comment section. First and foremost, I want to show y'all the hair that I use. Zuri Wiggle Lock Braid hair, and it is synthetic. This is not human hair. I bought this from like my local beauty supply store, the Elegant Beauty Supply to be exact, and this is the color 1, and I also use 1B. I didn't use 1 for any specific reason. They just didn't have any 1B left. I had got 5 packs of hair in total, and that included doing the locks and as well as extending them. That's why I had to go get like an extra pack, because at first I had 2 and 2, like, you know, 2 1Bs and 2 1s, and I didn't have enough to extend them. This hair is in 18 inch. It only comes in 18 inch in the store. I don't know if you can buy it online and get a better price, get a better length. I don't know, but this is the kind that I bought. So I'm gonna actually be taking down 2 of these and showing the tutorial on those. Okay, so I am actually going to cut these. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see that I have braided my hair. Hair is already braided, hair is already done. I am going to get one of these lovely locks out of this pack. I'm going to get 4, because that includes the lock itself and then, excuse me, extending it. I'm going to help y'all with zooming in. I'm going to zoom in probably right about now. I am going to take my crochet needle. I'm going to talk a little bit faster. So what we're going to do, I kind of had to wiggle mine a little bit more open. I am going to slide my braid through. Now we have 2. Make sure it is all the way at the root, nice and snug. We're going to get our latch, hook both our hair and the lock together, close the latch. For my girls out there that have super thick hair, you are going to have to take your time, because this hook and latch may pop back open. Where we have fingered that little hole, we are going to follow through with our crochet hair and our own braid. Close that back so we can take it out and pull them both through. It can be a little tough just because, like I said, if you have thick hair, then just be patient and take your time. I pull it down just to make sure that it is actually like super tight. Now we know that this twisty hair, it unravels, meaning you twist it one way and it is going to open up. The spiral, the dreadlock is literally going to open up. If you twist it the other way, it's only going to get tighter. So what we are going to do to conceal our braid, we are going to twist it the opposite way that it twists to get tight. So we're going to twist it, most of the time you're going to twist it left, because that's the way that it's going to open. And we are going to wrap our hair. Of course, if you get a natural hair color, it is going to match with your hair. If you get a different color, of course, your roots are going to be different. The longer the hair, like your real hair, the longer this process takes. Of course, because you literally have to wrap it all the way down. So this is a lot similar to doing goddess locks or doing faux locks or anything like that. If you have done these, you can do this style, and you're going to continue to unwrap it and then wrap it around your hair. So it's definitely easy, very easy. This was my first time ever doing this style. I didn't record it while I was doing my hair because I honestly just didn't feel like it, and I didn't know how it was going to start and finish. So I was like, I'll do a tutorial once the style is in. I can post a couple pictures, and I can see if people are actually interested in even seeing how I got the hairstyle. This is not hard at all. If anything, it is extremely time consuming. And if you have extremely long hair, or even just long hair like myself, I'm literally at the end of my real hair and at the end of this lock. Like, I do not have a lot left. So I'm just gonna keep opening and twisting and wrapping my hair. Now, holding it. Once you get to the bottom, it does have the potential to completely revert from what the twist that, you know what I'm saying, how you were doing it. It didn't. This one did really, really good. Like, really good. I wish the rest of mine, all of mine turned out like this, but they didn't. What you want to do at the ends, you can just do something like that, and you can conceal it, and you don't even see your hair. Your hair is completely tucked inside of the lock. Yippee. Now, to extend it, I took my rat tail comb and I tweezed out the ends of the lock that is already installed. Tweezed out the ends a little bit, not too much, just because, especially if you have long hair, once again, you don't want to tweeze it out so much that then your real hair is exposed. We tweezed it out and we separated it into 2 halves. We are going to take the lock that is just chilling here, waiting to get extended. We are going to put it through one of the halves. Now we're going to tie a knot real quick. A simple knot, nothing hard. We're not talking about no monkey in the barrel type knot. Literally tied it in a knot. Then I like to go wrap it around, take it to the other side, and tie another knot. Take one half, wrap it up, take one half, wrap it down, going in the direction that the twist is going in. And that is all to it. Now, you can do this process before you even put the locks in, which will probably save a ton of time. And then we're just gonna rub, like we're creating some fire, and that's pretty much it. And you can't even tell where it was attached. Now, with shorter parts of your hair, or if your hair isn't this long, you can actually put a lighter to it and seal this for real, and you will not have to worry about any of them unknotting by any means. So I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do this last one, and that is going to be a wrap. Hey guys, so I want you to really pay attention to this method, because this is the method that I really used all over my head. So I actually made a hole through my braid where the beginning of the braid was at, and I put the loop of the crochet lock in there. At that point, I then pulled the crochet lock and my braid through that loop, and I continued to go ahead and do the wrap method around the lock. We're going to unravel and wrap, unravel and wrap, untwist and wrap, however you want to think about it. And I know I'm gonna get asked how many locks I have in my hair. I think it's about 70 or 60, something like that. No, it's 70. Yeah, I think, because I want it to get closer to like 80, just so it could be like a fuller look. But your girl is not the best parter, okay? I don't know how to part real well. I already know it's not going to continue to wrap too well, because my hair, it was getting down to like the thin part. Here we are. As you can see, my hair is kind of sticking out the side, but to me, I feel like it makes it look a lot more natural. It kind of makes them look like the boho locks too. So we're uncombing the end, getting our other lock that we want to make it longer, sliding it in between the two, but sliding it onto one lock. I'm going to do one knot on this side, turn it around, bring it around, and a knot on the other side. And this is a lot easier to follow along with when you have the hair and supplies in front of you. And you want to squeeze those knots. You want to squeeze them really, really tight, just so you don't be walking down the street thinking you're cute, swinging your locks, and half of it falls on the ground. Yes, honey, this one turned out great. So that is all that is to it, you guys. There are plenty other methods of actually wrapping the hair around. You can even do so much, I guess, as kind of doing like the braid-in method. I feel like the braid-in method is a lot longer and a lot more stressful, so I stuck to this method. I was like, oh no, I cannot have this hair up here. I don't know, you gotta watch the braid-in method. It's a little bit challenging. That one was not for me. This one was, and I am happy that I'm actually showing y'all that you know, this style or whatever, because I was excited when I was doing it. And they cute and all, but this synthetic hair is no joke when it comes to just like tangling. It tangles so bad, especially once you put a lighter to it. It turns into completely different hair. And I honestly would keep these in much longer, but my hair is literally coming out of the braids. Like, the twist, I could just wrap it around and do it again, but I don't feel like doing that. And plus I want a new hairstyle. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. Y'all let me know how this was, if I explained it in a easy to follow along with manner, or if I could have explained it differently. This is about it. Oh, I also use Eco Styler's new edge control. It's basically says a 48-hour moisture control, and it's excellent for edge control. This stuff, y'all, when I tell y'all, it had my hair laid down. It had my hair laid down, and it is, like I said, this is new. I didn't use a whole bunch, but you can see that it smells good. It smells like hair products. I'm ready to do a new style now, but y'all know what to do. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Everything is down below. And click subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if y'all do. Your girl's about to take this hairstyle out for real, for real. I just really wanted to show y'all this. I told a lot of people on Snapchat and Instagram that I was going to do a tutorial before I took these out. And now I have finished, and I'm doing what I said I was going to do. So now it's time to cut these bad boys out. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. See y'all later.